Pip Lord speaking. I just wanna clearly explain our modifications of Escalpando strategy, meaning the Escalpando 2. Okay, if you are a scalper, you use 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, and 4 hours chart just to trade. Okay, on 4 hours chart, let's say that we are on 4 hours chart. Okay, what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be drawing our supports and resistance. Okay, if I draw them, I will take time, but then you know how to draw them. Okay, let's say here where I took a sell trade, this was our previous support, and then it got broken. Now the market maker came back to retest it. Okay, take note that 4 hours chart is not overbought. Okay, it's not overbought, but then 15-minute chart is overbought, and also 30-minute chart is overbought, and also 4 hours chart is, 1 hour chart is overbought. Okay, meaning that we will have a little reversal. Okay, but then it won't affect 4 hours chart, because on 4 hours chart they're still gonna go up, but then they have to retest first, meaning that they will come back down up until here and then continue with the trend. Okay, on 15 minutes chart, if they come up until here, you will see 15 minutes chart will be overbought, but oversold, but then on 4 hours chart it won't be. Okay, so how to scalp: you draw your previous support and previous resistance on 4 hours chart. If 15 minutes chart is overbought, you check for the market maker to spike near your previous resistance, and then you take sell trade. And then you also wait for M, and then you take sell trade. Okay, then for swing trades, you check 4 hours chart. If 4 hours chart is oversold or overbought, if it's overbought, you prepare to sell. But then before selling, what are you gonna be doing? You're gonna be waiting for a rejection. Here is a rejection. Then what are you gonna do? You're gonna sell. And then before selling, check M. Check the M. Here's the M. Here's the M. Here is the M, and then you take sell. Okay, you can also wait for the moving averages to cross, and then you take sell. Okay, but then before you take a sell, just check 15 minutes chart. If you see nice rejections on 15 minutes chart, you can then take a sell and then hold. Okay, those are for the people who want to clearly take Escalpando without let me just say, I came up with a solution to avoid the market to keep being overbought on 15 minutes chart, or to keep being oversold on 15 minutes chart. So for this to disappear, we have to do what? We have to wait for 4 hours chart to be overbought also. Okay, even the daily, if the daily gets overbought, or oversold, what are you gonna do? You take trades, because also on the daily it's a nice signal, okay, for long trade. So I think that we will switch from scalping to long trades and see what's gonna be happening. Okay, so peace guys. I hope this was helpful, meaning that now we are no longer gonna be analyzing on 15 minutes chart. We're gonna be using 4 hours chart in the daily. When they are overbought or oversold, it means that it's time for us to take nice trades and enjoy the trend. Okay, so it takes time for this pairs to be overbought and oversold on daily and on 15 minutes on 4 hours chart. So in the meantime, the signals that I'll be sending, just check if they correspond with your support or resistance, and also check if they correspond with your turnover support, turnover resistance, etc. Okay, because normally I will be sending the signals where the market is not oversold and overbought, because even if we leave them and wait for them to be overbought, we can wait forever. Okay, you can wait for 3 to 4 weeks, and then you guys will be complaining that we are not receiving any signals from Pip Lord, etc. Okay, so I will be sending signals, but then before I send signals, I'll make sure that they are on the support and on the resistance, and then the signals that I'll be sending, I'll announce if it's a scalp or if it's a long-term hold. Okay, So let's now go to I think everything explains itself, because you guys, you're not newbies on this, you know what to do. Okay, so peace guys, I hope you will understand this. I hope you will always make money with this. Okay, peace guys.